Well, good evening, everyone. I'm William Brantley from the South Jackson, Bemis, Tennessee area, ready to report to you today's climate summary and give you a forecast for the next few days. And we done it again. Bemis, Jackson, Tennessee area set another record hottest high today of 87 degrees. Yes, that is a brand new record for Monday, October 31st, 2016. The old record was 86, and that was set back in 1984. So we now have the hottest Halloween on record. And by the way, that also caused us to tie October of 1963 with having 26 days of highs at 80 degrees or above. We did tie that record of having that many days of 80 degrees or above for a high. That's a lot of days to have 80 degrees or higher. We did tie that record. Otherwise, at 5 p.m., by the way, this morning's low was 57 degrees, and we've had no rain, of course, today. And we're still at 1.17 inches for the month, and we'll wind up with that for the total for the month of October, which is well below normal. More details on that coming later. We had a southwest wind today at 10 miles per hour at about 2 p.m. At 5 p.m. it was partly cloudy skies, and the temperature at that time was 84 degrees. As of 5:53, it's dropped down to 78 degrees. So it's cooled down a little bit, thank goodness. The dew point at 5 p.m. was 63 degrees, and the humidity was 46%. We had south winds at 9 miles per hour, and the barometric pressure was holding at 30.00 inches of mercury. We will continue to have a pleasant evening this evening. It's going to be the warmest Halloween evening on record too. So I hope all of the trick-or-treaters get a chance to enjoy this very abnormally warm, record-setting Halloween day this evening in whatever fashion you decide to celebrate in. The sun will set tonight at 6 o'clock and will rise tomorrow morning at 7:18. I almost didn't get that one out. 7:18. The moon will be setting tonight at 6:58 p.m. and be rising tomorrow morning a little after 8. I don't have the exact time on there. I forgot to look it up, but that'll give you a pretty good idea. Probably around 8:30. Those details will come tomorrow morning, probably. Anyways, on to the forecast for tonight, Monday night, October 31st, 2016. We're expecting mostly fair skies with the low temperature by tomorrow morning, Tuesday, of 58 degrees. Tomorrow's high should be up to 87 degrees for November 1st. We'll have south winds at 10 to 20, and tomorrow's record hottest is 84 degrees in 1950 and 2000, so we'll probably break that one as well. Excuse me for scratching my nose there. Oh, I did forget to mention earlier that today makes the 4th day in a row that we have broken record highs, and we've probably got 2 more to go. Okay, on to Wednesday, November 2nd, conditions are expected to be fair, with a low near 58 and a high of 84, with south winds at 10 to 20, and the record hottest high Wednesday is 83 in 1987. We'll probably break that one. That will be the 6th one straight if it indeed happens. And finally, on Thursday, it's going to become mostly cloudy, and the temperatures are going to start dropping finally. We're going to have mostly cloudy conditions. We do have a very small 20% chance for a stray shower or thunderstorm right around midday or so, roughly between 10 a.m. to around 2 p.m. And then it should become fairer by Thursday night. We should have a low near 59 and a high of 76, which would be a whole lot more cooler than today's 87. We should have northwest winds at 10 to 20 on Thursday. On Friday, it will continue to be mostly fair with a low near 46 and a high of 71 with north winds at 10 to 20. This coming Saturday, mostly clear skies continue with a low near 41 and a high of 73 with north winds at 5 to 10. And Sunday, mostly fair, close enough. Conditions are expected with a low near 44 and a high of 73 with east winds at 5 to 10. And looks like next week, Monday through Wednesday, looks like it's going to be mostly fair Monday with a low of 43 and a high of 72 with east winds at 5 to 10. On Tuesday, it's going to be fair skies most of the day, then becoming cloudy with a 50% chance for rain by Tuesday night. We will have southeast winds at about 5 to 10. And on Wednesday, it's going to be cloudy skies, mostly cloudy at least, with a 60% chance of more rain on Wednesday. All of that should end by Wednesday night, the 9th, and become fair afterwards. The low should be 44 and a high of 70 on Wednesday, November the 9th, with south wind at 5 to 10 miles per hour. So that's the way it looks like for the forecast for the next several days. I hope you had a chance to get out and enjoy today's record hottest high. It occurred at about 12:15 p.m. Then we had a few high clouds that moved by that slowed it down a little bit, but that's okay. We still set a record here regardless. And it may be a little bit more sunnier tomorrow, maybe. And that may actually cause our temperatures to get up a little higher, like even 88 or 89 even. But we'll see. Right now, I'm expecting about 87 for tomorrow. Well, I believe I've covered everything that I can think of. I hope I didn't leave anything else out that I needed to mention. If I did, I'll bring it up in the next one if I can remember to do that. Well, I hope everyone has a very pleasant Halloween night tonight. Again, it should be beautiful. It's down to 77 degrees right now as of about 6 o'clock. So it's fairly pleasant compared to the high earlier today. So it shouldn't be too much trouble getting out and having a little fun wherever you may do your trick-or-treating. Other than that, I hope all of you, like I said, have a pleasant evening. I hope you wake up to a nice morning tomorrow morning, and hopefully early tomorrow morning, around daybreak or so, I'll have a new updated weather video for you. And until then, I hope you have a very nice night. Good night, everybody. God bless.